Welcome everyone to Creators Talk Creation. I am your host Mayank Kanan and this is your co-host Abhishek. Hi Abhishek, what's
Hi
up?
guys.
And today on our podcast we have with us Abhilasha, who goes by the name Bhasha with Abhilasha on Instagram. Hello Abhilasha, what's up?
Hi guys, I'm good. How are you guys?
All good, all good. So, how's it going? Lockdown and all, how's it treating you? Like, was it a blessing in disguise? Or was
I
it
don't know
actually a
what it
shrap?
has been in disguise, to be honest. I don't know. A lot of people say blessing. A lot of people say no, they miss office. I've kind of, beginning I was missing office, but then I'm like, ठीक है ना, I can take
मजा आ रहा है.
from my bed
Yeah.
itself.
Exactly. I don't want to go back to my office. Who are these
Exactly.
idiots?
Yeah, travel and all, and plus staying in Bangalore traffic, dude. I am missing out on that. It's a boon.
Yeah, मेरा तो सैलरी उतना नहीं है कि मैं जाके काम कर पाऊँ. मैं तो खर्चा ही नहीं निकलेगा मेरा. मम्मी पापा ओपी गाइस. That's how it is.
अरे
with-
मतलब बेस्ट पार्ट इज लाइक वीकेंड 1-2 घंटा बच रहा है. वही 1-2 घंटे में बियर पी लेते हैं यार. मतलब सही है मतलब. क्या
Correct, right? I mean, and even if you're doing it on weekdays, nobody will know.
मम्मी मैं नहीं पीता हूँ. ये मुझे नहीं पता क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
मम्मी आपका बेटा अलग से रहता है, आप देख लो. अब समझ
नहीं रहता है अलग से. मम्मी पापा के साथ रहता है बेटा.
मम्मी जब बेटा बाहर जा रहा है तब जरा देख लो क्या कर रहा है. अपने बेटे पे नजर रखिए जरा. चेहरे की हंसी से तो समझ
Don't-
में आ रहा है क्या कर रहा है.
डोंट ruin it for me. Like जो भी है मेरी जिंदगी में खुशी. अभिलाषा is trying to like.
मैं इस पॉडकास्ट से पता चलेगा घर वालों को.
नहीं यार मैं कट कर दूँ. मैं एडिट कर दूंगा भाई. सारा पावर मेरे हाथ.
अरे पावर मेरा
Just kidding.
No,
I won't.
sorry,
I won't.
do not agree with this. You cannot do this. I will not.
डिस्क्लेमर फॉर्म में ये लिखा था तूने.
I won't.
Disclaimer form तो वैसे साइन भी नहीं हुआ है by the way. I haven't signed any disclaimer form.
नहीं I won't. I won't edit out anything. This is gonna go raw upon my YouTube. You can see.
Absolutely great.
So, Abhilasha, please introduce yourself. How where are you from, and how did you get into this business of learning different languages?
Okay. Business, I am not. I'll get to that. Wait.
Metaphorically, I mean business, to metaphoric,
Yes,
but yeah.
absolutely. Absolutely. So I am from Calcutta. I have lived all my life in Calcutta. I am very Bengali. My full name is Abhilasha Chatterjee. That is as Bengali as I can go with the surname. So done my schooling, college, everything there. And फिर मैंने बोला college के बाद मम्मी यार अभी तो निकलने दो कलकत्ते से.
कलकत्ते से.
जा सिमरन जा moment happened. जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. And I landed up in Bangalore. And
nice.
when I landed up in Bangalore, it was amazing. Obviously, alone for the first time, whatever you want. And then
आजाद पंछी.
Azad
Azad
Panchi,
Panchi,
exactly.
yeah.
Azad Panchi I was. And then I was like, new friends, I'll talk to them, this, that, I'll go out, I'll hang around. Then I hung around with people and I did not understand what they're talking about. And there was a clear communication gap which was happening. I could, they would all sit together on a table and they would all of a sudden just start laughing. And I would, have some FOMO as to why are they laughing? I don't know. And then I would always ask me, kya bola? And I understand that, if I'm asking, what did you say? First 2 times, 3 times, it's fine.
Yeah.
People will be nice to me for the first 2-3
Yeah.
times. After that, I'm just annoying. So that is when I decided ki no, I need to learn it myself. It so happened that Karnataka, when I reached, I had more Telugus and Tamilian friends who would talk stuff, and that has been my major, influence. Which is why
Okay.
I was, I started learning a little bit. And then towards this lockdown, I'm like, okay, lockdown, what to do? Something out of passion. I've always
Some productive thing, yeah.
languages,
Yeah.
right? That's when I started. Okay, let me whatever document my learning, whatever. Because see, clearly I can't be the only one. Look at Hyderabad. Look at Karnataka. They're full of people from outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Yes.
right. That's right.
Okay.
Agreed.
Some survey or something was like 52% of folks in Bangalore are people who've come from outside.
Software,
That was-
obviously, IT sector.
Hey, bhai,
right?
Bangalore has hardware as well.
Okay, there is the internal gap over there which I see of software and hardware. I'll get to that later. So I was like, I'm sure I can't be the only one who went through this language barrier. Right?
Yeah.
And I thought, okay, let me just document a place where, whatever little I learn of ekkada, ikkada, akkada, let me just try helping others to, learn whatever I'm learning.
Yeah.
So I thought it'll be like slow and, I'm learning kunchum kunchum and people will also learn kunchum kunchum. Kunchum kunchum. Oh God, the pronunciations.
Even Telugu people don't give a damn about the pronunciation so much. It's okay.
Yeah.
You can ask Abhishek. Konchum,
why
konchum,
are
both.
short? Oh God.
No. I've stayed between Telugus. I know, like
Yeah.
they're like they have accent. Telugu people have their own accent with Telugu only. That's how it is
Yeah.
here.
So I that's why this page was started, that okay, let me just document it, and all of a sudden I realized that this problem is not small, this problem is big. And
The nation wants to know.
yeah, exactly, the nation wants to know actually.
Bro, that phrase is copyrighted, man.
Oh,
By
we can't do other
by
copyright.
times.
Only
Okay,
bhasha with
Abhishek
Abhilash
wants
and
to know.
Poppy.
Abhishek wants to know. Matt wants to know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that we can do.
Clearly they knew, but now they act as if they don't know. So then this page just started, and all of a sudden it just,
Blew
rocketed,
up.
and I was like, what's happening? Ema Hindi, I'm not understanding how to keep pace with it. And I've heard that on Instagram you have to be really very consistent.
Yeah.
to kind of get a traction, and like in 6 months I just have 60 posts, which clearly talks about my consistency. So I was like, okay, I've started as a passion, let it go as a passion. अब demand matchup करने जाऊंगी तो नौकरी छोड़ना पड़ेगा. और वो तो अभी थोड़ा problem है. I mean, nobody's watching this from my company, but that was the thing. So that's how this page was started, and I'm just, whatever I learn new, I just kind of go ahead with it and post it.
Nice.
Everything is a real idea at times. Abhi, if I just sit and start thinking ki let's ideate, really doesn't happen like that.
Yeah, it just
Yeah.
strikes you whenever
Just strikes.
you're not like in that zone. It strikes you
Zone.
then.
Correct. Like one of the examples, I'm just sitting with a friend, right? A Tamilian friend who's talking to his mother probably, and I'm just randomly doing something, and he's like video, and I'm like, are you talking to your mom like video? What are you saying? He's like, I'm like, how can you speak to your mom like that? And he's like, video means house. And I'm like, really? And I made a reel similar to that. But
Yes,
at the
yes.
same time, how that idea came is, there was a Telugu friend who was passing by who heard me saying Veedu, and he's like, you know what Veedu means in Telugu? It's that guy. And I'm like, that's like a trilingual issue that I'm having right now. And that's how the ideas have mostly come.
Right,
So
yeah.
it's really fun about languages,
Yeah.
So,
that's
like,
why I started.
does it ever happen to you, like in the middle of meeting, you get a thought? I have to go to the washroom. लिखने का वो thought मेरे को अभी लिखने का, इसका रील बनाने का.
मैं लिखती नहीं हूँ, मेरे को लगता है कि मेरा मेमोरी इज टू शार्प. मैं लिखती नहीं हूँ, जो मैं इवेंचुअली भूल जाती हूँ.
My God, that's the same with me, dude. Like,
Right?
it's some kind of arrogance in me that the idea, but why write it down? I'll do it today only, and then I forget to do it today, and then doesn't happen.
सोचा था कुछ वैसा टाइप का shit, that was a good idea. Why didn't I write it down? But I will repeat it again. I will not write it down in future. That is how I've been. So yes, it has happened a lot of times. Like बातों में, the person is telling me something really important, but my ear has caught something which has gone towards the reel
Yeah.
side. अभी तो रील कैसे शूट करना है वो चल रहा है दिमाग में. आपका बात समझ में नहीं आ रहा मुझे. I'm not getting it. So yes, that happens a lot.
Right. Nice.
Hey guys, content creation के लिए बहुत ध्यान लगता है. No, some people feel like it's easy, but it's very difficult.
Very difficult, dude. It's
That's
very
right.
difficult. It takes a lot of time, and that's the thing, right? I I mean, people who have things written, I mean, who are proper people who write stuff down,
Yeah.
they might have a list of things coming up, but then people like us who don't learn from our mistakes, we don't write things down. And we are still struggling कि अरे यार ये क्या था वो क्या था. So I need to wait for that moment. कि, अरे, that got. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's how basically I get it. Otherwise I don't.
Right.
And then for 1-2 weeks I'm missing from Hasha with Abhilasha. And people comment, keep waiting for the next reel, waiting for the next reel. I'm like, yeah, just come, just about to. क्या सोचा था उस दिन? What did I think of that day? I haven't made a video yet.
Right.
So that's how it goes. Yeah. The journey.
So it's like, how do you balance this with your job? मतलब रील्स बनाना, उसका ट्रैक्शन देखना एंड जॉब पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना, लाइक हाउ डू यू बैलेंस इट? आई एम आस्किंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ बिकॉज
मेरे लिए भी भाई, तो मेरा भी
हाँ
job
मतलब
है।
वही हम दोनों के लिए पूछ रहे हैं हम कैसे, क्योंकि हम 50,000 पे नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं.
If I have some foolproof technique, I'll let you know. But honestly, I'll be very honest. I'm very bad at time management. Very bad. Okay. So I find it very difficult to balance calm and reel. Like यहाँ पे मैं रील बनाने के लिए I'm like, okay, I've got some time, रील बनाती हूँ, वहाँ पे Slack में notification phone पे आए जा रहे हैं. This report is in 5 minutes. This report is in 5 minutes, and I'm like, should I shoot the reel or should I respond to the Slack? So you know that, and then if you have work behind, and then
Yes.
the right expressions don't come, and then the right mindset doesn't come. But what I generally try to do is Monday to Friday I try to work, and after work is over, like around 7:38. Try to see कि क्या हलचल मची है आज Instagram में, what has happened on Instagram, how many hate comments, how many love comments have come. I just check that, and that's pretty much it. Monday to Wednesday I generally take for responding towards the late night to comments and stuff. Friday, Saturday I'm like अभी तो Friday हुआ है, let's take some time. फिर Sunday I record कि मंडे से तो फिर होगा नहीं, संडे रिकॉर्ड
Same.
तो संडे आई ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड टू लाइक अराउंड 2 or 3 is like a very big number. I'm just showing off right now. I never do 3. 2 videos max I do, and then I put one on probably Wednesday, one on Friday. पूरा हफ्ता हो तो गया. And if
This
people
is so
say-
relatable, dude. This is
right? That's how the content should be also relatable. So
This is
yeah,
literally
I
like-
think Saturday, Sunday I try to kind of figure out, and Mondays to Fridays post office I just do a bit of halchal and engagement
right.
on Instagram. I think that's how I've been managing so far.
It's the same with me. Like Monday to Friday में कोई रील आइडिया आता है मैं डाल देता हूँ. बाकी YouTube का काम मोस्टली सैटरडे संडे होगा. एंड मंडे टू फ्राइडे आई एम बिहाइंड माई एडिटर. ब्रो एडिट करना था ब्रो कितना हुआ एडिट करना. एंड देन 2 वीडियो मेरे को मिल जाए ना हफ्ते का. आई एम लाइक सॉर्टेड. 3 दिन के इस पे डाल दूंगा. मंडे थर्सडे खत्म इस हफ्ते का खत्म.
I do the same thing, but no, I really feel, there's so many times that I've decided कि no, Abhilasha, this time you're going to start being very consistent. Very consistent. But
होता नहीं हो obviously.
नहीं होता. I don't know why. How do people manage a full-time job? And you must have spoken to other
It's very
people.
draining.
How
It's
do they
very
manage
draining.
a full-time job? And
we have talked to a lot of comedians who are doing their job right now and have been like 5-7 years into comedy, and it's very tiresome for them because लिखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, सेट लिखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, पता नहीं कहाँ से निकाल रहे वो टाइम. हमें तो मिल नहीं रहा है, हम परफॉर्म भी नहीं कर पा रहे उसके वजह से. बट दे हैव बीन डूइंग इट फॉर 7 years एंड दे हैव अ मार्क इन द इंडस्ट्री कि हाँ ये बंदा इतना फनी है, ये बंदा ऐसा है वैसा है.
But how?
Some people have left their job as soon as they started comedy in the confidence that कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा, और हो गया. तो even I am in the confidence कि कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा.
कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. अरे 5 साल 6 साल. अरे
Yeah,
कुछ तो-
exactly.
Actually, to be very honest, the creative field is like that. You
People are
start off
accepting,
slow,
I
but-
think.
But
Yes.
then, yeah, they are accepting. And now, given the current idea of how short form content or some long form content, how they have become, right? So, creative may it starts slow, but you just need that Oka viral video.
Yeah.
That thing you want, and that just kind of.
Then all of your content picks up from मतलब जितना भी
Right.
बनाया है वो pick up कर ही जाता है and जो बनाने वाले उस पर तो engagement आएगा ही because instant
Yeah.
YouTuber themselves gonna push कि हाँ इसके 30k 40k subscribers followers हो गए हैं
हाँ,
so you have to
correct.
push the content that's how it is now so yeah that
वो तो
I
मत पूछो
understand
कैसे उसका एल्गोरिथम काम करता है, मेरे को तो मत ही पूछो. I just
It's like an interstellar movie. मतलब किसी को पता नहीं.
exactly. I have given up.
bro one of my
शिद्दत
reels
से काम
stopped
करो.
at 705 days ago वरुण
What
माया
did-
वाला मैंने बनाया था एक and
हाँ.
all of a sudden today I see it's at 3000 I'm like when did this engagement come bro कहाँ से आ गए 2500 लोग देखने के लिए
That's
how it
amazing,
is
and that's amazing to hear also. That this happens.
yeah
पता नहीं चलता.
exactly and I made that like a week ago or like 10 days ago that reel I'm like अभी
So
कहाँ से आ
awesome.
रहा है bro that's how it
But
is
like for you, when did the going viral happen? You might remember, right?
I very well remember, and it happened with one Telugu reel only. Okay, I don't know. You guys must have noticed. So basically, what happened? I had this in my mind, and I just randomly made the video, and it happened similar to what Mayank was just talking about. I
Okay.
posted that reel. It was Ra plus Andi. Okay, so that was what the reel was.
Okay, it's fine.
guys Randi in Telugu means इधर आइए
Either I, it
nothing
is with
bad
utmost
nothing
respect.
yeah exactly
And we are not abusing anybody here. That
Exactly.
is a language, and I love it.
yeah
So anyway, so it started with the Raw plus Andi, and like Mayank said, मैंने post किया था around the end of April sometime. Happily sitting, हाँ ठीक है normal. That time I had just started, so I had like what 700 800 followers.
हाँ
Seriously?
Yeah, that just happened. 700 800 followers, and I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, that's like okay, ये वाला post किया, and then वही same 3000 views 6000 views.
yeah
That's
yeah
it. That was around, if I remember, 26th 27th of April, because that's when I was traveling. That was the day I traveled from Hyderabad to Bangalore, is why I remember the date. 27th 28th April, everything was fine, कुछ हलचल नहीं हुआ, normal जैसे ही चल रहा है. I was randomly sitting very peacefully watching something on Netflix or something रात को 11 बजे.
yeah
Phone was in my hand.
Were you watching a Telugu movie? No.
I really don't know. वो नहीं देखा था. Mind
Abhishek
in
what the hell
mind.
bro
the minute my phone is generally on general. I mean generally.
on ringtone
understand.
or
Yeah.
silent
Right. No, normally it was giving me some Instagram notifications.
हाँ.
Okay, ting, ting. And I was like 11:30. इतना तो भाई I'm not something. ये इतना अचानक से हो. Then all of a sudden I picked up my phone कि कौन मैसेज कर रहा है रात को 11:30 बजे. And it just started and the phone was literally ringing in my hand. Okay. And I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? So much हलचल I can't deal with.
bro
Okay.
when will this happen
Then-
bro
On and okay, hadavidi. So much hadavidi. Why? and then it just started ringing 4th. This is 27th April से 4th May तक. And I was like, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I was like, शायद okay, maybe engagement is doing something. This went on till the 10th of May. My phone did not stop ringing.
14 days
Entire time. No. 4th April से 10th 4th May से 10th May तक.
अच्छा
Yeah.
okay
My phone was ringing. I could not make calls. I could not check other notifications. There was a point of time that for the first time there was so much engagement coming in that I actually told my friends कि यार I'm deleting this page. I can't deal with this. Obviously, it was the first time that I was getting so much,
Yeah.
I mean, so many likes, so
Engagement.
many comments.
Yeah.
Then is the first time I dealt with social media hate, because a lot of super sensitive people came up saying that you're not supposed to, talk
Use that
bad
word.
about the language.
Oh,
You're
it's
not supposed to use that word. That was the first time when social media hate came to me. I didn't know social media hate before that. Now I'm a pro in it. I do Tamil videos, so I'm a pro in social media hate. Okay. So
I get that yeah
so that was how it was, and that was my first reel. Within 6 to 7 days it reached 1.5 or 6 million.
wow
Oh damn.
that was where from 500 6 दिन में 25,000 चला गया.
Whoa!
And I was like, ये क्या हो गया? So that is, I think, when this entire thing started, that okay, maybe I can kind of capitalize on it. Then there was another Telugu video where I'm trying to show, door you open is Telugu and Moosei, and that
Yes.
hit immediately 1.7 million.
Wow.
Okay. So that is when I got to realize that this is on to something. Let me do it. And after that I've had like downfall as well, like when I've not been consistent and all.
Mhm.
Right? So then I got to know ki most of them had followed me for the Ra plus Andi video. I was like, हर टाइम ऐसे नहीं आने वाले, ठीक है? मैं अच्छे, I'm doing good stuff as well. I'm not doing just those.
Man.
Okay?
Guys, I just want to say to my audience too, why are you so shallow, bro?
Yeah.
Watch long podcast. It helps.
Especially the comedy, which what I do. Man, I do only dark comedy.
Yeah, Abhishek only. That is because it's very easy to please the audience that way.
Exactly. It is very easy to please them with dark comedy, but there'll always be like a part of which who will not
Accept dark comedy. Yeah.
accept dark comedy.
Yeah.
Whereas the entire world is doing it. But then, okay, they're both sides of the coin. So I've learned to kind of live with it.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it started, and that's how the thing has rocketed to where I am right now.
Nice.
Right.
Yeah.
So are you looking at it as an alternate career option, because like you are at 50k right now?
Guys, 62.
62K, okay,
People,
okay.
what? Ain't bro?
62k, okay. 62,000 followers on Instagram
Yeah.
and probably 100k in the next like 1 month, easy. So
I hope so.
are you looking at this as a career option? Because I think Instagram starts paying you when you have such kind of a engagement, right?
Yeah, it
Like
has.
I mean, does it ever it comes across your mind as to क्या चिंदी पैसों के लिए जॉब कर रही हूँ मैं, इधर 100k पहुंचने वाली हूँ 1 महीने में, क्या ये सब छोटा मोटा काम?
She'll be as diplomatic as possible.
Exactly, I'm thinking of it. See, I haven't resigned from my company yet, so I have to be very diplomatic right now. So anyway, honestly, I haven't exactly thought of it, because if I do this as something full time, it will need me to be more consistent in it,
Yes, yes.
more content creation, and this kind of started as a passion thing. So
Yeah.
it's the same thing, like passion, when it becomes like a job, I start hating it.
What?
So I think even I see if it works. So my idea was that the day, probably it's too soon to say, the day my Instagram input, like whatever I get my earning from Instagram, if that levels my monthly salary, then I might consider. But then honestly, I need some
Stability.
I need right now stability, yes, but then Instagram is also something of passion. So
Right.
that time, I'll have to force myself to come up with ideas, which
Yeah.
is not going to happen, because I
that is
cannot
true.
force myself to come up with ideas. They come and I make the video. So if I take a break and I travel, yeah, but that is a plan that I would want to take a break sometime for a few months and just travel, go here and there, learn newer languages with people and get more understanding. because that's-
इंटरनेशनल मार्केट हिट करना है लैंग्वेजेस के साथ.
इंटरनेशनल मार्केट तो बहुत जन कर रहे हैं, अभी हमारे यहाँ पे कौन करेंगे? यहाँ पे
Right.
तो हम लोग
So you want to
जाएंगे.
explore India and like the regional languages there, and that's like
Right, I really do, because
hmm.
how, like, I don't see too many people, like, even if you see all these people are more into European languages. मतलब
Yeah. Spanish, French, German,
हमारे
blah blah blah
country
blah
पे
blah.
क्या languages की कमी हो गई है क्या? मतलब I don't understand.
नहीं, इनको ज़्यादा difficult लगता है. But basically, I think the main problem is, if you ask me personally, it's like you have a lot of professional coaching for European languages in India and outside India,
Correct.
but for Indian local languages, you don't have such kind of a coaching, because you don't have like online on Udemy. You won't get Telugu coaching classes ever. That's how it is. So
And you see all these Duolingo, Babbel and everything.
yeah,
max to max
all of
Hindi
them.
तक रुक
Yeah,
जाएंगे.
yeah.
completely ignoring the fact that we come for a 70% hikes to the South Indian states only. So let's learn that language, guys. And yeah, Kannada is something which I'm also trying to do because being in Bangalore, I know it a bit, just to manage. But then, dude, Telugu and Tamil have this sounds so amazing, and I think the reason why I started liking was for the songs and the movies.
Yeah.
Some
Okay.
actors.
Have you tried Malayalam, like Malayalam content?
Ariella, bro. I don't know. I haven't.
You should, like, if you start Malayalam, right, content consumption, and if you start learning Malayalam,
Yeah.
people say that Malayalam is like poetry. Like each and every word and sentence in Malayalam is like poetry. Like the whole language is like a poem. That's how beautiful it is. And the
I've
songs
heard- I
are
have heard.
captivating as hell. I don't know the meaning, but they are captivating as hell. And they are very meaningful a lot of times because Malayalam industry is one of the most realistic film
Correct.
industries out there.
Correct.
So
I have
they
noticed.
make grounded and, like, you know, very real life movies. And like
I
there is an
agree.
actor called Fahad Fasil, and I'm a huge freaking fan of that
Same,
guy.
yeah, same here. Fahad Fasil, yes,
So
absolutely.
yeah, I mean, if you try Malayalam, I think you'll forget Telugu and Tamil. That's how it is. Like it's with me also, it's the same.
No
Yeah.
one can forget Telugu, dude. Like I agree with Ram
Telugu,
Darshan.
dude, I think Telugu is the easiest.
To learn, yeah,
EBS. Okay.
yeah.
But to remember it took me a lot of time, okay?
I think-
Kuntunnanu, kuntuntunnanu. It
Ha.
takes me time, okay? to
They're
remember.
very similar words, no? I think a lot of similar
Yeah.
words in Telugu. Yeah.
Yeah. With the verbs, you can just do the kuntanu, kuntar, kuntesa.
See, now also she is fumbling. So guys, you know it's difficult.
Exactly. You know how if so I understand everything in Telugu. Okay, people talk in Telugu and I understand. Don't give me all this, pure Telugu lyrics. Telugu don't give me. Give me normal Telugu like you speak in general life, and I'll understand that. But the minute somebody asks me, and okay, I have done it. Okay, chesanu, chestanu, cheyali. Oh, and I am like, okay, what is supposed to be the answer to this? I don't know which. I think I still fumble there.
Right.
So yeah, Mayank has forgotten all Telugu, so he's like, yeah, whatever.
What?
Yeah, he's like, yeah,
No,
whatever.
guys.
I know this.
I try learning Telugu, but there's no association what to do. Like that's how it
you
is.
were
He knows
born
only
there and you
Ram.
stayed quite
He
a
knows
long
only
over
Ram.
there.
No, bro,
Mr.
that's a
Raya
slang.
also.
That's a slang I used. I know more. I understand Telugu really well, but
Okay.
when it comes to talking, like, हाँ मेरे को थोड़ा सा difficulty होता है because
मुझे मैं ज़्यादा conscious हूँ, I feel, with
Yeah.
getting it. But then they're very sweet. They correct me.
yeah, but I help my mom talking to the Aya guys every day, so I think I have gotten there with Telugu.
Okay, that's good. Hey, I mean, that's how it happens, right? So somebody is talking to me, and I want to reply to them, and I'm making good calculations that okay, this is past tense, and I'm just supposed to, and I'm doing this, and they're like, English mein bol do na. And I'm like, I'm trying to, speak to your heart in your native language. I'm like, let me do that. Don't shun me off. I'm trying to do that. So
Oh,
yeah, that
man.
happens to me.
But does it happen to you like once you learn the language a little bit, then people start connecting with you a little more than पहले से ज़्यादा connection थोड़ा ज़्यादा बैठता है. That's what I've observed usually.
Dude, I also shared this thing. Somebody was talking. I shared on Instagram that it's a very common saying. In fact, you speak to a person in their second language, you're talking to their mind. You speak to them in their first language, you're talking to their heart.
Wow.
And I think
Yes.
that is something which is definitely true because, do you know how cool I feel when people are talking in Telugu and I understand Anta? Do you know? Okay, I speak a lot of Teluglish. Okay, Teluglish. Like, Telugu and English would be Teluglish.
Yeah.
Yes.
I speak a lot of that. So, yeah. So, I'm like, no. And then, they're like, actually, what I said was, I was like, I know what you meant. Okay. You don't have to translate it in
I
English.
talk Telugu plus Hindi also. Like me and my friends are like,
That's
तो bro ऐसा हुआ अंटा, and then like that's how we talk
I
sometimes.
love that. I love it.
Yeah,
It's the
so-
first time I'm hearing this, but I love it.
Yeah, so it's very common here because lot of Hindi people in AP and Vizag, and
You know what? I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that because that's very cool. I find this very cool.
But like I remember, when I DM'd you on Insta, you had that English mixed Telugu. You're like like it was
Ah, you
different,
did?
Yeah. When I texted you on Insta,
Oh, acha, I
you're
forgot.
replying in the Telugu mixed with English, right? So I was
Yeah.
like,
Okay, right. Okay, that was the conversation which happened with Abhishek. Isn't it? I don't know who spoke to me.
this is the first time I'm talking to you properly because Abhishek was following up again and again. Yeah.
Abhishek,
I think I
thank you
DM'd you once, but then I was like, bro, she's not gonna reply to me. It will take her time to notice my DM. You follow because you're already in her primary DM.
Yeah.
So it's easier for her to notice you.
Yeah, correct. So yeah, it's easy, but yeah, I am very inconsistent in even replying in that way. So see that's how, like, if during work I get something and I'm like, nah, now I'll not reply, and then
wo happens
Yeah,
with
yeah,
everybody. Yeah.
Marchipoyanu is the word for
Yeah.
it, guys.
Okay, for Abhilasha, I have a difficult word. Pronounce my surname.
What is, hey, Aragunda.
It's not difficult for her, dude. She knows the language.
Yeah, like what are you saying? I
It's
said
Aragunda.
Samvatsaram. Do you really
Please.
think I have a lot of things to?
Abhishek is like a stereotypical North Indian, South Indian. So you understand what I'm trying to say. He'll be like,
Yeah,
hey,
yeah.
तेरे को तेलुगु आता है, but ये pronounce करके दिखा ना. Like in Delhi, they'll be like, ऑटो वाले से जाके ये करके बता ना, 100 का 50 करके बता ना. Like that's how Abhishek will.
Oh shit. No, I think I need tougher Telugu words. I think I've risen in knowing Telugu too much that you need to give me tougher words.
The thing is, I was born in Hyderabad, but I was raised in Mumbai for like 10 years. So I learned
One jolly Telugu only. Jolly Telugu.
I learned Telugu when I was in 11th and 12th. And I started with profanity and then ended with the language.
Of
Yeah,
course.
you always
Yeah.
no. Profanity is the first way to enter any language.
That's right.
No.
Right, so this happened when I was in Calcutta and I had no idea of what Ra plus Andi or whatever it means. I was working and there was this techie sitting at the back, and I work as an HR. Okay, so he was I had to schedule a discussion with him. Okay, and he wasn't responding, so he was sitting at the back. So I said, hey, and then I was just typing and he was at the back, and I was like, what time should I tell the candidate to come? And I just spoke like this, and he said, Repirandi. And I do not know Telugu at all, okay? And I'm like, what did you just say? He said, Repirandi. I was like, what? You're repeating it again? I'm going to the CEO and telling him that I'm of a company. So that is what happened.
That was the
when I did
icebreaker.
not know.
Damn.
Then you googled it and like.
No, I didn't.
No,
I was
he
like,
would have told her, no? Like whoever.
He only said, no, I didn't mean to offend you. No, it actually means this. I'm like, yo, what, you think I'm dumb? And then he's like, if you're not believing me, then yes. And then
Oh,
later
man.
no, I did not. Actually, I didn't remember that. And then when I came to Bangalore, I was chilling with some Telugu friend of mine, and then this very senior lady came in.
Yeah.
Okay.
That friend knows. And we were sitting, and my back was towards her. She was coming from the back, and he's like, "Arey Garu, you have come. Anita Garu, you have come. Randi." And I'm like, "Dude, she's so senior. Why you saying that to her?" And then he's like, "Oh, you don't know what it means? It means come, aiye."
Yeah. And with respect.
Okay, with respect.
Yes.
That was another struggle, with respect. And I was like, listen, Abhilasha, you need to be, you want to learn this language, you need to start making, hearing these things very normal. Stop reacting in your North Indian way.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's how, the reaction happened. So yeah, a lot of such incidents have happened. So now I know when to talk and when not.
Oh man.
Abhilasha will be like, we'll get back to you later.
Yeah. Before I used to be very nice. I will speak to a native through his heart language. I will reply. But then I'm like, native friend, okay. Native not friend, English. Hindi
Right.
acha hai? Telusu. So I just have to do that. Yeah. So
Nice.
yes, that's been what I've been through.
What about your interests based on like Telugu and Tamil? Like when it comes to food, your favorite food from Tamil Nadu and Hyderabad.
So
Yes.
Tamil Nadu, so they talk about the sambar. I tried the sambar and it was
Guys,
Okay.
all the
Yeah.
North Indians, this is a tana to you guys. If you don't know, it's not sambar, it's sambar.
Sambar.
sambar. So
जो भर भर के देते हैं.
so it was slightly spicy, but yeah, the food was good over there. I think I really like their chutneys which they made in that way, but not trying to put any other cuisine down. But then I've tried different cuisines from the north, elsewhere in south, and even the west side I've tried different cuisines, but my heart is with Andhra food. And nothing beats pachdi pulusu pappu. Nothing beats that. I mean, any given day my mood is bad, just tell me that you've made some pachdi or some pappu.
Tomato
or
pappu is my favorite.
Tomato pappu, oh,
Like-
my favorite too.
They make it so.
Rasam or else rasam.
You guys make it so thick and
Guys, I know how to make tomato pappu, just by the way. I had to learn it. I will be in Bangalore.
let's plan a meetup in Bangalore within the next 3 months. I'll make a vlog also, and then you can
Abhilasha
make-
making tomato pappu.
exactly.
I think I really like the idea. I can make. I've learned all the vegetables also. I know bendakai sab pura, dandakai pura. I know anta.
Nice.
Okay.
Guys, हम दंड नहीं दे रहे किसी को. दंड का is vegetable.
Oh,
don't worry.
okay, I didn't realize that. Right.
Don't worry, guys. It's all vegetables and dal we are talking.
Yeah, just food, good food, yummy food. So
Yeah.
and I think my heart went to Andhra food when I tasted the pachadis made at home. Right.
The meals that they give in mess and like those kind of restaurants, like crazy good, because it is so balanced. You have one wet sabzi,
Yeah,
tomato
yeah.
pappu, sambar, rice,
Papad.
papad, one puri. Okay, it's so balanced, and rasam to end with. Okay,
Sweet also. dude.
sweet curd, everything. They give you everything, and
Right.
one fried item like either bindekai or something like that. So I'm like, this is beautiful. Everyone should have it every day, no? That's what.
Exactly. Everything that I ever wanted. I mean, one fun fact: I was never a rice person.
Yeah. Okay.
I was always a roti. Matlab, morning roti sabzi, afternoon roti sabzi, night roti sabzi. Okay. And then I came here to the south, and everybody would be eating rice for lunch and dinner.
Breakfast
And
as well.
Even breakfast bhi kabhi some rice.
Pulihara,
tamarind
pulihara
rice.
and all. Yeah, lemon rice,
Like,
pulihara and all.
Good Tino time rice. What is this? And then I got introduced to Andhra food, and now I am rice. And before, okay, another fun fact. Before, when I came to Bangalore and I met all my friends eating, they would have that curd rice, like without food.
Yes.
And initially, no, to be very honest, okay, I'm not a very, very big fan of curd, okay, and I've never been since childhood. And I used to be
Same
like,
here.
कैसे कर्ड खाते हैं ये लोग राइस के साथ? I mean, how? And now, you don't give me curd after my food, I will kill you. You are inviting me, you better have curd.
The
And
best
then
thing
I-
is, it happened
Imagine
with
the
my
reason
brother.
for
Okay.
that. No, imagine the reason for that. Curd नहीं दिया. दही
Curd
नहीं
nahi diya. Imagine later on I found out the reason that curd is, okay, somebody told me that Andhra food is so spicy that to cool down your
Yes.
Yes,
stomach,
digestive system curd is important. Yeah.
हाँ तो वो सब तो obviously who wants logic. But now when I know it and I'm like, curd has to be, my food is going to be finished only with curd, otherwise it's incomplete.
Right.
Or else he'll not be alive, or he or she will not be alive. Whoever is inviting Abhilasha.
यार कर्ड दे दो या फिर डाइजीन दे दो, दोनों में से कोई एक.
So it happened with my brother. Okay.
Okay.
So he went, like, he was in DPS till 8th standard, and then in 9th my parents put him into Narayana. Okay. So Narayana is a Telugu AF coaching center.
Narayana, Chaitanya.
Yeah, all of them are like Telugu. Yeah, all of them are like Telugu AF coaching centers. So
Yeah.
what happened with him is he was like introduced to all Telugu atmosphere for the first time. Okay.
Okay.
उसके पहले
So
तो
how old was he
deep-
at that time?
he was 14 at that time. So
Okay.
yeah, so 13, 14 sort of some kind of that age. तो वो गया and he used to call every weekends, you know, like longer calls पे हर weekend रहता था because Monday to Friday तो classes होते हैं and then revise करना and all that चलता था उनका hostel and all था. तो सैटरडे संडे को ऐसा होता था कि ही यूज्ड टू कॉल मॉम एंड यूज्ड टू बी लाइक मॉम दे ईट कर्ड राइस आई एम लाइक या सो दैट्स नॉर्मल नो एंड देन ही गोज लाइक नो द प्रॉब्लम इज द वे दे मिक्स इट आई एम लाइक हाउ डू दे मिक्स इट सो दे आर लाइक so they bring curd rice. So the day scholars, what they do is they bring curd rice in the morning and it dries up by afternoon. So they pour water from the water bottle and then they, you know, mix it with their hands. I hate it. And today he mixes curd with noodles. He mixes curd with what not. And I'm like, what are you doing, dude? That's
Dude,
bad.
No. So this I can relate to because when I slightly find something, some kura or some pappu very spicy, curd to the rescue. Mix it with curd. Mix it with curd. It'll be fine. You'll manage.
Yeah.
You'll survive through
I'm
it.
just thinking hangover के लिए भी curd.
Have you guys tried it? वैसे?
No,
चल,
I can't have curd. It's like I'm sort of allergic to it or something. I
Lactose
vomit.
intolerant?
No, not lactose intolerant. Just curd intolerant for some reason.
just curd intolerant.
As
I was that before.
so I
Okay,
whenever I
there'll be
try
a
and have
virtual
curd.
murder right now. There'll be a virtual murder right now.
So 4 times I've tried curd in my life, and all 4 times I vomited. All 4 times I vomited. I'm like, okay, this item is not for me. I can try parwal for once, but not curd because I vomit for some reason.
Curd with the remaining pachdi on your plate. Curd rice with the remaining pachdi on your plate, which you cannot waste. Because I get offended if I see people wasting pachdi on their plate. You can't insult pachdi in front of me. You take less.
कोलकाता में
But
तो
you will
गलती से पैदा हो गई हैं अभिलाषा.
Yeah.
Seriously.
है आंध्रा की.
आंध्र की तो मैं हूँ. Wanna be Andhra.
Like, you know, in pachadis also you have chicken pachadi, egg pachadi.
Yeah, I've
You
heard of
make
that.
your- yeah,
I've never.
non-sticky.
I've just stuck to ulipai and tomato pachdi in such a way, and dude, every sabzi can be made into a pachdi bag.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, wow.
Yeah.
मैंने कभी नहीं सुना था कि वांकाई का भी इतना अच्छा पचड़ी बन सकता है. Like भरता के अलावा there is something else that you can make out of वांकाई.
Vankai is
Vankai.
brinjal, right?
Brinjal, guys. Vankai.
Bangin.
And then we have to put subtitles for this video, especially for whoever is watching this.
Oh, right. We need to put subtitles. Yeah, guys,
Shit,
if
bro.
you're in Andhra or any place, try Gutti Vankai. It's wonderful, and you will start liking brinjal for the first time if you have Andhra style brinjal. Is
Wow.
what I want to tell people.
I was just processing that, you know, when people tell you're vegan, I'll tell you're not my friend. Abhilasha will be like, "Tu curd nahi khata, you're not my friend."
Correct. And if you say anything about Andhra food, I'm like, excuse me? I can't. Like, you cannot insult Andhra food in front of me at all.
I love dosa, dude.
Dosa, right?
I mean, dosa, sambar and chutney is like the perfect breakfast meal for me is dosa, sambar, chutney and then tea. Like,
Correct.
whoa.
Or Abhilasha can relate Ram ki bandi dosa.
Ram ki bandi. Oof, you know, there's so many. Now I've given up on Ram ki bandi dosa. Like, too pricey as in like, time lagega.
Okay, to give the context to Mayank, it's a famous.
I know, bro.
dosa.
मेरे कॉलेज में लोगों ने राम की बंडी वाले को बुला के फेस्ट में स्टॉल लगवाया था. मैं खाया. I'm
Guys,
like,
Ram ki bandi is a
यार ये
very,
फालतू
very
में
famous-
इतना एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं. 30 रुपए में ऐसा ही डोसा आंध्रा में कहीं भी मिल जाएगा वाला सीन होता है.
Right. So, guys, the people who don't know, Ram Ki Bandi is like this tiffin, a dosa center in Hyderabad, which the guy has done MBA, I heard.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
he's
yeah.
running the business. And I go there. I went around 3:34. They said no, not now, not now. So I basically have to, मतलब पुराने जमाने में डॉक्टर के वहाँ पे नाम लिखाते थे.
Yeah.
डॉक्टर
Yes,
आएगा.
yes.
राम की बंडी के लिए we have to wait over there कि राम will
Yes.
open. I will sit over here. It's still that system and
Mm.
so yeah. One thing about this dosa or vada or even idli and all
Idli.
this, I have never been a very big fan of breakfast. कि breakfast कौन खाता है? Because
हाँ.
you have to wake up for that.
Yeah.
So you have to wake up for breakfast. But then, and if you have one kind of food for every day, you'll get bored of it.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is one food that you don't get bored of.
Never.
हर दिन खाओ, every day. You will not get bored of it. There is something they mixed in it, dude. I'm telling you. It's know about this.
What the hell happened
Maybe
to my
that we
screen?
do. Maybe that we do.
I think they put some addiction into that you will want to. It'll be a craving for you every day to have dosa and idli in the morning.
Okay, guys. So we were talking about pachadis and dal and dandakais and wonkais and things like that.
All
And
food.
South Indian food.
All
South Indian.
bombs. Dandakai nuclear project. Yeah.
Actually, like we'll talk like that in front of somebody and they'll be like, dude, they're talking about some nuclear project. It's a very scary name.
They'll be like, what? Even states have nuclear weapons. Huh? What?
Ah.
Not only countries.
Good one. Yeah, so I was just talking to Abhishek a while back and he was asking me the best places to eat in Hyderabad, which I said that I really like some, I don't know, Varalakshmi or Mahalakshmi tiffin near DLF and
Labonel.
Nabonel. And then suddenly I got an idea that I am also a person who mixes pachdi with everything.
Right.
I have never thought of mixing pachdi with Nabonel.
So it's like a pastry with pachadi, dude. क्या बोलूं यार मैं अभी
Dude, think about it. Have you ever tried it? Before you try it, you're not gonna say that it's bad, okay?
No, I haven't tried it. I need to.
Nobody
I
has
think.
tried it. I'm also scared to try it.
I'm just thinking कि after sweet you go to salty, sweet, and then it's like a interstellar route. So if you're mixing labonel with pachadi, it will be a different combination.
It will definitely be a tummy upset for sure. Icing में पेरगू लगा देंगे.
Oh
We'll
no.
put curd as icing. Then
Ah.
it will cool down as well. Dude, stupid ideas I'm getting. Dude, don't make me do this.
And what about movies and like series and all? Series तो क्या ही आहा पे है. आपके पास अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आप देख सकती हैं.
देखो हम
आहा
हमारे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं है, हमारे पास दोस्त है जिनका सब्सक्रिप्शन है.
आहा का.
हाँ,
आहा
so
का.
many Telugu friends.
I just want to see if anybody from Aha videos is watching this. Dude, 62k followers. Brand deal though, Abhilasha ko, Aha ka. She's Telugu.
Guys, I watch AHA, guys, with subtitles. That's how I learned. I got my real idea ready. So, नहीं AHA देखते. Then I even watched. I recently, I think in the past few months, I watched Surya, Software Developer. So I watched these Telugu web series recently, and I really loved it. Movies also, I've been a fan, obviously, because when I before I came to South, I mean Bahubali was such a thing, and then when I came to Andhra and I realized ki it is life or death if I say
Yes.
against that. So
First day, first show, 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning, diehard fans will be there.
I know.
Yeah.
They so I have seen one thing in the South, especially that this fandom is more
Fandom.
worship.
Yes.
It's worship. So that is something which I've been aware of, and honestly I do like Telugu movies right now because without subtitles also I can watch it.
Yeah.
And
Flex.
then you're you are exposed to new age actors like Vijay Deverakonda. So,
That was
Vijay Deverakonda, if you're watching, please see this is blush. It is dim lighting, so you can see. So
Smooth slide it, मतलब
yeah, I know. So yeah, so you know these actors, and then I during the lockdown, if you know Samantha, her Instagram really kind of came up in that way, and I
Yes.
started
Family
following her,
Man.
and I really
She
like
got the
Family
Family
Man
Man
as well.
season 2.
Correct. So I think there are a lot of actors in terms of, you know, even I like Nani a lot.
Yeah.
I really like his acting, and dude, songs like just amazing. Songs are amazing.
Yeah.
But like on the contrary, there is one part of in the Telugu movies like if they hit a guy, he'll fall like 10 feet away. So what do you have a take about that?
Yeah, देखो मतलब unrealistic is something which I have kind of, you know, come to terms with. So
Yeah.
I try not watching some movies जो ऐसे हैं मतलब ऐसे kick करने, but when you are watching a movie like that, something like Ala Vaikuntapuram Lo, where Allu Arjun is actually hitting somebody, but in the background the song is so
So
amazing.
dope, yes.
Yeah, that you know you're so much concentrating on the song. Normally songs always get backsided, right? If something
Yes.
some action is happening,
Yeah.
but it was very nicely shot fight sequence where it was going so slow.
The
And
slow mo,
the
right?
song-
You're talking
yeah,
about?
correct.
Yes, yes.
And the song was so amazing that it was just falling within the song, the actions. And I like things like this probably where I would enjoy it. But I mean some of those videos जहाँ पे I'm sorry. Okay, you guys might have to cut this video. Who is that actor जिसने ऐसे train रोक लिया था? अरे he's quite senior.
Balaya.
Balaya. Okay, cut this
Oh.
part. Telugu people are gonna kill me right now.
No. The point is, earlier I used to tolerate Balaya, but recently he made a comment on A.R. Rahman, and I was like, okay, I'm done with this. He's like, who's A.R. Rahman? A.R. Rahman is nobody. He said that.
Right. And he says something regarding his father.
Yeah, he's
something
like,
that.
A.R. Rahman is not even my father's nail, NTR's nail. I'm like,
Something
what the
like
hell
that,
is
something
wrong
like
with
that.
it?
I got a news notification.
Yeah, I'm
that,
like,
so,
okay, now
yeah, like-
I'm done with Balaya. Done. Like, all tolerance level is over. A.R. Rahman is a treasure, guys. Please, let's not.
Yeah. No, nothing. The reason I've fallen for his songs is
Yes.
because, I mean, the reason I
Pure
like
talent.
South music and all so much is because of him.
Yeah.
तमिल से तो तेलुगु में ही आता है ना.
Yeah.
Delete this
It's
comment.
fine. Like,
People
the
are
main
gonna-
point is it should be unscripted. Yeah.
Epic.
It is unscripted, but then no, they have a lot of good.
Yeah, but
I think
like, there are a lot of good actors as well, like Mahesh Babu, Pawan Kalyan.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes. PSPK 25. True. I actually dance on those songs like that. My friend and I we danced on Made in Andhra something. And you know the step which goes like this he goes down and down. So I'm pretty aware of all those things. Okay, I dance and I really like. So when I was slowly getting into Telugu, and then when Bharat Ane Nenu came out, that was my anthem. Like I would sing Bharat Ane Nenu as if I am Bharat. I was the society, like, you know that song gives you that thing that okay,
Vibe, yeah.
Yeah, that vibe is there in Bharat Ane
You get
Nenu.
absorbed.
Yeah.
I completely
So
understand.
I think these songs are there, and then you know, there's this, and the reason why I started learning Telugu and Tamil for that matter is for the songs. I mean, dude, Tamil songs are like a different level. You know, Anirudh.
The
Sid
Mari,
Sriram.
yeah, Anirudh, Sid
Yeah,
Sriram,
dude.
Santosh Narayan,
Sriram.
my god.
And let's just say A.R. Rahman is there, so you know.
Did you watch
it's coming
Jagame
from there.
Tandiram?
So, Jagame. No, not yet.
Not yet. You
The new
need to
thing,
watch.
Dhanushka movie.
Yeah, you
I
need
am.
to watch.
Yeah, I
Jagame
know there was a
Tandiram.
lot about it. I really want to watch it, but then in terms of
So-
I remember when Jagan Mandiram came out, I was in between two a job transition.
No, I know what happened. Abhilasha was busy making pachadi.
That's quite possible. I might be struggling to make some pachadi,
Yeah.
or maybe the bendakai is not getting fried exactly how. I want.
Yeah. But coming to the movie, like it's amazing, and I think Karthik Subbaraj is if I'm not wrong, Karthik Subbaraj is the director, and he is a huge fan of Tarantino. So the whole movie has the Tarantino vibe to it, and the background
Okay.
music and all is like
I
wow,
wanna watch it.
like wow.
There are a lot of movies I haven't watched, yeah. I think I'm losing out on everything. I think I need to kind of leave the job and just watch movies only, catch up on everything, getting new real ideas and stuff like that. So yeah, I was actually never a movie person. I was never a movie person. Coming to the south is when I interacting with my Telugu friends and them saying that
They'll hype that so much that you feel that अरे मैं कुछ miss कर रहा हूँ, you know.
yeah, I
That
mean, I
happens,
haven't
man.
done anything in life. I feel shit. I haven't done anything in life. I'm sorry, guys.
My
watch
first Tamil movie was Aparichit in Hindi on Z Cinema, guys. Obviously.
Even get to that. Aparichit is still a fine movie in Hindi. Do you know all in Calcutta what all movies I used to get in Setmax?
Yeah. There was a movie called Main Hu Vidwansak. It was a, I think, Kannada to Hindi movie, and it had a song which literally went like at 11:30 in the night. Me and my brother sneaked into the living room to make fun of this, okay? Because
Okay.
we didn't have anything better to do. We were in our school days, so he's like,
Okay.
so we are singing, and the song goes like, मैं हूँ मतवाला यहाँ कोई ना मुझसे जीता यहाँ टडडा. This is the fucking translation,
Oh, God.
and I'm like, what?
Why literal translation? This is the thing, if you just send some of these good movies to those channels which people on that side of the country can see
Without any this thing.
correct, just give subtitles like you do generally, but if you give that to those people on these TV channels, their outlook towards these movies will get better. अब तुम ऐसे train stop करोगे and वहाँ पे some operation is going on and a heart is coming, a thermocol heart is coming from somewhere and directly getting into your heart. See, such movies, obviously there will be a particular preconceived notion formed.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. That's
Send
right.
the good movies, right? Bahubali was this, that is why it became what it is right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
And people still
And
appreciate it.
even after Netflix, has releasing some good Telugu movies,
Yeah.
it has that vibe कि सिर्फ subtitle में देखते हैं, they don't interchange the audio and all. तो वो connection है ना, it's like you connect with the movie a lot than you connect on set.
You
And if
might
they-
do that.
If they
जब
translate,
आँख ऐसे एक आंख ऊपर एक आंख नीचे जाता है ना, कि तुम सबटाइटल्स देखोगे कि तुम movie देखोगे, तो वहाँ पे मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती है, स्पेशली विद तमिल दो. मतलब
Okay.
तेलुगु आई स्टिल अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज नाउ आई स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग फ्लैक्स, बट तमिल में आई स्टिल हैव टू काइंड ऑफ see the subtitles, otherwise I can't survive.
I think the only way of training yourself watching anything with subtitles is if you start watching anime. Like, I've watched enough anime to not miss any
Abhi-
scenes while reading the subtitles. Like, seriously.
Okay, Avilash,
I am so pro at
There
it.
is a big fan of that.
I am so pro at it, at reading subtitles and watching the scene. I'm just like, that's it. I've read the subtitles. I'm seeing the scene. And that's what he's talking. That's how it is with me.
Oh, okay, right. But no, for me, I've tried watching a lot of these movies and all, but the amount I've learned the language by listening to natives,
Yeah.
Yes.
that's the only way that I feel, because I often feel, देखो Google Translate तो leave it. मतलब Google the answer to everything, but Google is misleading me now.
Yeah.
Google is giving me Sanskrit Telugu and Sanskrit Tamil. I don't
Yeah,
want to
it
learn.
won't give you the slang translations very well.
The city
It-
slang.
Correct,
रहता है.
Yeah.
correct. I want
won't.
to know the city slang because I will not go and tell somebody, oh my god, they'll be, I'm not so pure. They will expect pure Telugu. I'm like, no, jolly Telugu. Sorry, just to wanna be here. Okay.
Yeah.
So
And
it makes a lot of
that-
wrong,
that-
but natives
that-
are the best way to learn any language.
That's right. Yeah.
And that flavor of that city you add in your language, that has a different effect. Age the age, just no.
Yeah.
Exactly. The expressions have to come. Like, I had this Entra video which I made.
Yes, I saw
That is what I've learned from my friends, because everybody says Entra, तुम इसमें भी use करो, you're using it in that also, everything you're using that only.
Oh, the intra, the different
Yeah.
expressions
Yes.
with the intra, right? That's the video
Yeah.
you're talking. Yeah.
Right, so people do use that, and these expressions I've all got it from my Telugu friends only. I'm not making these expressions. And this is only a very thing that you learn. What? Hindi? This is very, very important if you're asking a question to somebody. Okay?
Yeah, we do that. Ain't just to know, like that's there. Yeah.
Before people used to tell me, I'm like, yeah, sure. I will do it. And they're like, what? And I'm like, what is? Why is the thumbs up for what? I
And this
don't
also
understand.
is like, okay,
Yeah,
okay
this
na, okay na.
This I've not noticed very much.
In
This-
Vizag
they
it
said
is
that
there.
this is also- Acha.
Yeah, it like they do this. if like a very respectful person is in front of you, they'll just fold hands and they'll be like, okay sir, okay sir. Like that's how they do.
Oh, this I've noticed. Yeah.
So
Government
this means
officials and-
okay sir, yes. This doesn't mean no, guys. This means yes. This means no. This means yes.
This
It's a
is-
difference.
yes,
It's a difference, guys.
That's a good one. Good one. I think, see, real idea.
Real idea for Abhilasha. Yes.
Yes. Courtesy, the comedy guys. The comedy club. Tell me about this comedy club as well. Where is this in Hyderabad?
It's
Okay,
not in
no,
Hyderabad.
so-
It's an online comedy club right now. We will start live shows, but the problem is most of them are from Delhi, so Hyderabad में उतना नहीं होगा. But I think Abhishek का इतना networking हो गया अभी कि he can try and organize some comedy mics in Hyderabad. That's how it is.
Nice. Nice. I'm there for 2 weeks. If there's something, just let me know. I'd love to.
Yes, for sure.
When are you
Sure.
going to Hyderabad?
She's there in Hyderabad.
In
right now.
Hyderabad. I came
Oh wait,
yesterday.
you are right. Oh okay.
Yeah.
And
I'm in
when is
Hyderabad.
Anshu more
I
coming,
go there.
Abhishek?
But 20th September.
Oh, तो late है. Okay. But I think some of the other Saikiran and all keep doing their gigs in Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, Rajshekar Mamadana is a famous
Yeah,
Telugu
yeah,
comedian. Like,
yeah.
if you want to vibe the Telugu mix comedy,
I would
he's a
love
very
that.
good. Yeah,
I would love, किसने मुझे एक लिंक भेजा था तुम लोगों का कुछ हो रहा था but because of work I couldn't join.
yeah.
Abhishek.
We
I
have it-
sent the open mic link.
We have it every Saturday and Sunday. You can join and like enjoy whenever you want.
Oh, then कल
It's
है.
free of course.
कल है
It's free
and
of
परसों भी है, दोनों दिन. कल 10 and
कितने
परसों
बजे
9 बजे. 10 p.m. and 9 p.m. That's the time.
रात को. हाँ रात को I think I'll be free only. I can watch it. मेरे को लिंक भेज देना guys.
Sure.
कल मैं थोड़ा हैदराबाद घूमने जा रही हूँ थोड़ा.
Hey, vlog it, dude. Like you can actually vlog it and
Yeah.
put it as a very good first
यार
YouTube
पता है मेरे
video.
को ना बहुत दिन से YouTube चैनल खोलना है. It's just that I'm too lazy with my attitude. I don't know. मतलब भाई एडिटिंग पहले लो फिर एडिट करो फिर ये करो वो करो. Actually
just
good idea.
just I think you can also hire an editor if you don't have the time right now to learn it. Like they don't charge too much. You can just अगर एक 1.5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है किसी एडिटर को and you have 50k followers, there'll be a lot of people trying to volunteer. So I think that's a good way to go about it. Right now I do it with my friends so that they don't charge because I'm not earning from YouTube, right? So I'm not in a position to pay them right now. And my job doesn't pay me as much. But
Also, I
yeah,
co-host
as soon
now.
as my YouTube क्या हुआ?
I co-host.
You क्या?
उसको
अरे तेरे
फुटेज अरे
channel पे।
फुटेज सबको यहाँ पे फुटेज इक्वली
अच्छा।
मिलेगा.
अच्छा हाँ मतलब वही है. तो दोस्त लोग के साथ ही करता हूँ मैं अभी बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट आई एम अनेबल टू पे राइट नाउ. But as soon as the
Yeah.
channel picks up, I'll start paying and I'll be bringing in.
Oh,
more
definitely.
production.
That's what I'm saying now. Okka viral wheel you need, and
Let's see.
that time it will be an honor for me that I could, join you guys.
Listen, your Instagram will definitely pick up like sooner than ours.
Way faster, yes.
क्या पता नहीं. I need to be more consistent. I just have to. Consistent होना पड़ेगा. हमेशा I think of deciding. जब भी किसी से ऐसे बात होता है ना, I'm like I have to be more consistent, but then it doesn't happen. In 6 months, I'm sitting with 60 posts. I mean, that's not the way an Instagram influencer who's trying to create something happens.
Okay,
Yeah.
8 months we released how many videos, man?
40, I think. We have reached 40, I think.
Dark comedy लगाओ ना सब आएगा.
अभी ऐसे
You are trying to say ये नहीं होगा.
अभी लेकिन हाँ नेक्स्ट 2 weeks में अराउंड 6 वीडियोस बैक टू बैक डालूंगा हर 2 दिन पे. सो बिकॉज माई एडिटर वॉज इन अ फिट ऑफ एग्जाम्स एंड ऑल, so he couldn't edit anything, and now I have like piled up 6 videos. This is the 6th video that will be piled up. I'll give him an
Dude, I
आप कर तू.
Imagine the amount of work.
Yeah. It's a lot of work.
So, like, मेरा 30 seconds reel, 17 seconds reel में I'm like too much done for today.
Yeah, that's why.
Can't.
So the main problem is approaching people and like following up like 10-20 times so that they say yes, and you know,
No, not you.
not
it's
you, not
everybody.
you. Like it's everybody. It's like a general trend, because see, the point is it's not your obligation to come, right? That's how it is.
Right.
So
But no, I would like to. I mean, I know I feel really guilty. You know, there's so many people who try to reach out, and I'm like, I want to. You know, मैं
Yeah.
दिल अच्छा है. You know, I'm a nice person.
Time
okay?
time
I
का
just
problem
said it to
होता है.
somebody. I'm a nice person. Okay, please don't mind. me.
अभिषेक यार,
I'm chala nice, please. But then it's just that होता ही नहीं है. Plus I'm
Time
such
का
a
बहुत problem
lazy
होता है.
ass. I'm a lazy ass, to be very honest.
अच्छा. I
No,
was
that's
trying to
fair.
save your ass by saying
I'll
that
tell you what
you have
happened.
less time, but okay.
देखो जो सच है वो सच है.
Right.
Truth cannot be hidden for long.
Okay, Abhilasha's followers, you are saying this.
Guys, yes, this is it, and
Sach ka samna.
सच का सामना, and I know, don't leave me, guys, don't leave me.
Don't
बहुत
worry. Come
शिद्दत
with
से I
us.
kind of had you here.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ah, this was so much fun.
this was fun actually.
We'll wrap up then, man.
Epic.
या और कुछ questions है तो पूछ तो, I'll be as natural and अरे मेरे tough words कहाँ गए तेलुगु के? What,
Yeah,
Abhishek?
Abhishek, you were gonna like
You ask me tough
you were gonna
words?
throw some
Challenge me
slangs
with
and
tough
stuff
words.
on her. Do that if you can.
Slangs, I know.
Arey, the
it
thing is,
was.
for me, what happens is when I start conversating with one person in English or Hindi, then I can't switch to Telugu. मेरे को initially switch, I have to start with Telugu, so can I move to Telugu.
So guys, this
This is
is
the most vahiyat. You know the meaning of vahiyat? Okay.
Yeah,
This is the most vahiyat excuse I've heard.
yep. This is what
This is
happens
Vahiyat
when you
in
don't
Telugu.
prepare for a podcast, guys. Abhishek, you understand?
What is vahiyat in Telugu?
Baledu. Baledu is like.
Palidu is bad.
Yeah.
Vahiyat is like, what?
Chatta.
Basically, chatta.
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 Chatta is
Kachra
garbage.
dude. Yeah.
हाँ, तो
Chatta is garbage.
बट दैट्स वाहियात का मतलब भी क्या ही होता है, कचरा ही हुआ ना कंटेंट के हिसाब से. अगर तुम बोलो कि
तो
क्या
कचरा और
वाहियात,
वाहियात अलग वर्ड्स क्यों हैं?
अरे
अलग
यार
words क्यों?
तुम
Okay, तू किसको सिखा रहा है भाई बच्चों?
सुनो, तेलुगु इकड़ा, ओके?
आप बताइए फिर वाहियात का क्या मतलब होता है तेलुगु में.
हाँ, अभिषेक at least you
Plastic-
should.
अरे मेरे ऊपर आ रहे हैं सब लोग.
हाँ तो तू
Obviously,
तेलुगु
you're
है,
the only
तेरा
person
अरगुंटा
who's
है.
there most- हाँ,
तेरा
you're अरगुंटा.
title.
What is this?
Okay, to define that, आधा घंटा लगता है मुझे प्रोसेस करने में.
मतलब as if it does not have a word you're behaving
No,
like.
the thing is, I can tell you that there are two different slangs in Telugu if you know. That one is the Andhra Pradesh slang and one is the Telangana slang. So you might have heard about it, right?
Yeah, I've heard Rajamundry slang, I've heard Rayalaseema slang, I've heard every slang.
So which one is your favorite? Like you can enact any one. We are not offending any people, but yeah.
No, bhai. Slang. I'm trying desperately to learn a language. Don't get me into the slangs, okay? I like I don't understand Hyderabadi Telugu.
Okay. Hyderabadi Telugu is like more rash and it's like end yes no.
Haan,
Historical,
like
like
half
that.
the words are broken. Like I
Yes,
have
yes.
learned like aim. No, but this is a problem. People are going to teach me aim chestunaru.
Ah,
And then
ఏం
they're
చేస్తున్నా
going
బ్రో,
to-
దట్స్ హౌ దే టాక్.
No, not even that. I was still answering. Aim chesta.
ఓహ్ బై.
Aim chesta. First of all, it's chestunaru. Where is jesh now coming is what I don't understand.
Yeah, it's the processing speed is faster.
Fluency, right? So yeah, that's the thing. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాను or ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నా?
Oh,
yes.
they just ask ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు is in there. You have to figure out that it's
No,
there.
Andhra Pradesh, it's more like andi is used a
Yeah,
lot. Like ఏం
yeah.
చేస్తున్నారండి? ఏమైందండి?
Oh, okay,
Like
that's
that
more
one.
respectful, is it?
Yes.
I think I have learned from most of the friends that I have learned is I think that'll be the I think Telugu I call it. I don't call it any dialect. I call it the Telugu I know. Basically, they're all from what? which side I don't know. Tirupati side, it's Andhra side, I think. for sure.
I think Vijayawada, Vijayanagaram, and all these people, right? I think.
I
might
think
be, yeah.
that is the kind of slang that I'm learning in that way.
Right.
Yeah. So I don't know if it's aloo, gadda, or bangala dumpa. Oh shit. So yeah, those are the confusions which I have.
But yeah, coming up with difficult words as of now.
Yeah, Aragunta, I expected this from you. I was very excited that today I'm going to say tough words in Telugu.
But
It's okay, Abhishek.
I failed the exam. I was not
Failure is the
prepared.
stepping stone to success. Please prepare next time.
We'll go viral because of this.
I think
Yeah, it's my
any
co-host,
word,
guys.
any word which you kind of say it in present continuous tense in Telugu becomes
That's
tough.
very technical.
I'll tell you why. Anukunta is fine. Anukuntunnanu,
Yes.
Alochistunnanu.
No, yeah.
Every time you add this present continuous thing or something like that, it becomes something which I don't understand.
I agree to that.
But yeah, but it's quite a simple language once you get the hang of it. It's because you know whatever you read, it's gonna sound like that.
Yeah.
I
There's
can't
nothing-
read Telugu. It's very difficult.
No, even if it's written in English. I'm saying.
Okay.
What a
Don't have too
failure
much
you are, Abhishek.
expectations. See, you're keeping very high expectations that I can read it also.
Okay.
But I understand G. G is a very common thing which I've seen. I started writing Telugu actually, but then I couldn't continue it. But now it doesn't look jalebi to me, is what I can say.
This is the common perception.
Yeah, I mean, I think every South Indian language to me is a mix of jalebis, guys, because I can't read any of them.
Yeah.
Not being
It's just very
ignorant, but
sound.
yeah.
And then Abhilasha comes and adds dahi to it so that it's much cool to eat.
Yeah.
Exactly. Have you tried that?
No.
You're making fun. Try it. Don't. Guys, don't.
Yeah.
So anyway, you failed it miserably in terms of asking me tough questions. So clearly, this is done. Any more questions which we can?
Man,
No, man.
मैं कुछ और questions बाकी है क्या हमारे?
Nah.
अड़गू, please.
people slide into DMs.
I have argued everything, guys.
Adugu, he is Adugood everything.
Yeah.
So we have
Adugu means
IPO
ask
indeed.
for
We have
reference.
IPO indeed the discussion today.
Yes.
I think this is how.
Man, I have to learn Telugu. Somebody teach me. Bhasha with Abhilasha, please teach me Telugu. Exactly.
Follow Bhasha with Abhilasha. What do you
Yeah,
say? How can you-
I already follow you, I think. Yeah. I have to see.
Yeah, exactly. How can you even ask me that question? Somebody teach me Telugu.
The problem is I don't remember if I follow you because you're not regular.
God, I
So thank you so much, Abhilasha, for doing
Yeah,
this, and
thank you so much for having me here.
thank you,
And
Abhishek, for co-hosting
इससे पहले
this.
जो- Yeah, thanks
Cool,
Abhishek.
cool.
Thanks Abhishek for.
The follow-ups,
Sliding into DMs.
innumerable follow-ups. To all the viewers who are returning, guys, like the video, share it with others. क्या कर रहे हो यार? क्या फ्री है? सब फ्री है और इतना इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन ला रहा हूँ मैं. 60K फॉलोअर्स हैं इनके और कितना चाहिए तुम लोग को? आएगा एक दिन
62
अंकुश बहुगुना को भी ला दूंगा, लेकिन यही है स्टेपिंग स्टोन. क्या करूं मैं? करो यार तुम लोग, लाइक करो, शेयर करो वीडियो,
Subscribe करो.
सब्सक्राइब
Guys,
न्यू
like and
व्यूअर्स.
subscribe. फ्री का चीज में क्या जाएगा? लाइक कर लो,
Exactly.
सब्सक्राइब कर लो.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
लाइक
అండ్ టు ఆల్
చేయి,
ది
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయి, షేర్ చేయి.
చేయండి,
Telugu, yes.
ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, వీడియోని
Oh,
షేర్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్తో. అండ్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్ హూ ఇస్ న్యూ హియర్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్सक्राइब द चैनल. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो, शेयर इट विद पीपल, ड्रॉप अ लाइक,
Yep.
कमेंट करो, एंगेजमेंट बढ़ाओ जितना हो सकता है भाई. मैं भी कंटेंट हो गया हूँ और करना पड़ता है पिंप मेरे को लाइक्स के लिए. तो सी यू
करना
गाइस,
पड़ता है, office-
we'll be back with another interesting podcast. Good night. Couch Potatoes signing out.